Hey, welcome to the channel. Today, me and my boy, we're going to go on to a hike at Sesquicentennial State Park. Sesquicentennial State Park. I can't say the whole thing, but we're going to go on Jackson Creek Nature Trail. I've never actually been on this trail, so I hope you enjoy it. As always, please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the video. Sharp walk.
For those of you that have been watching the channel for a while, you can really see how fast my son is growing up. That's why I really value this time to be able to spend time out with him.
I did not know this was
out here on the trails.
Now, I have never been on this trail before. We've never been on this trail, have we, Ruben? Huh?
We've been on this trail a long time ago.
A long time ago? I don't remember it.
Yeah.
Now, this is a tree that's really interesting. I've always wondered, like, how the things that happen to these trees that we see, what's the story behind it? I don't know what type of tree this is, but obviously something caused these indentions to be in this tree. Really would like to find out. We have to look online. All right, so as you see here, you can go take nature trail that goes around that way. We're not going to go on that trail. We're going to stay on the Jackson Creek Trail, but that's another trail that you can take if you come out here at Sesquicentennial. I guess you can see that water, so you know I had to keep my little boy from going down in there. Anytime he sees water, he wants to go down there in it.
One of the things that's amazing about this trail is that it was just the time of day that we were there. You can really see the reflection on the water. It just made the experience even more special.
What you gonna do with that branch? Don't you go in the water. Well, that is going to be all for today. It's going to be more of a shorter video today. I don't have as much time as I'd like to because they're actually going to close the park today at 6. But as you can see, it still is gorgeous out here. Look at the reflections of the water in the background. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. As always, please like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you at the next video. Take care. And God bless.